channel. Sorry, I'm shouting across the room because I don't know, I am.
Sorry about that, guys. I thought that was highly hilarious. I thought what would be possibly easier would be to show you all these bits and then do a voice recording after. So I'm showing you these little houses that I got. I got these ones from Hobbycraft, and they're the unfinished ones that you can paint in your own colours. This one is also from Hobbycraft, but I think you're meant to put a little candle inside this one, as the other ones are more solid. And I wanted to show you as well, I got these gorgeous little ones in one below. So this one's B&M. This was one that you hang on your tree and it lights up, but I've just cut the string off the top to have as a little house. And these are the little one below ones. They had a different version as well, and these also light up and are only £2 each. I think the B&M ones were £3 each, and the Hobbycraft were only a couple pounds as well. So these are also from One Below, these little bottle brushes, and I just thought for £1 they are gorgeous in the olive green colour that they are. I'm going to be adding those. I'm going to be adding these as well. So these are also from the craft section of the range, only a couple pounds each. And then I'll also be adding bits as I go along, but I will link everything I can below in the description box. And I'll also describe anything that as I go along as well, guys, because I'm going to be adding my garland that's from the range, some beads and some oranges. So I'll let you know where everything's from. So I'm just placing all these little houses out to see where best they go, trying to stand back and see where's the best place. So once all these are in place, then I will want to add my garland, because I find it's a little bit too fiddly to add these bits after, because the garland ends up halfway on the picture rail as well. So I'm just spacing them all out, making sure that they fit across the whole of the shell. So I also wanted to show you as well, these are the bells that I showed you in a haul a couple of months back. These were really reasonable. I will link these below in the description. But like anything you buy from Amazon, they do sometimes go up in price as the seasons get nearer. So fingers crossed. The garlands that I'm actually using, these are from the range. Now, these are the mistletoe garlands, and these are £9.99, and they also come with little battery packs in them as well. So you just put 2 AA batteries in them, and the light these give off are absolutely beautiful. As you can see though, I actually attached these with thumbtacks. So these are actually left in from last year. I just kept them in. I thought it was quite easy, as the holes are still there as well, so I can just pop them straight into the holes they were in, and it will fix up.
My presents stacked in piles. Take me away, Christmas Day. Take me away, Christmas Day.
So this is the beaded garland that I also showed in the video a couple months back. I will link this below as well. This was about £10, I believe. So I will link this, but I do know that you can get similar in Primark. I just love the length of this, as it is 3 meters. I'll also be popping in some dried orange slices that you can buy yourself and just add with string and florist wire. I think I picked mine up from the pound shop last year.
Christmas Day. There's joy in the air, families near. We give thanks for this past year. Oh, nothing compares to the love that we share. Oh, what a bliss. A green red delight with glimmering silver wine. You dazzle us all, from big to small. Warm laughter and white smiles, my presents stacked in piles. Take me away, Christmas Day.
So guys, this is the finished result. As you can see, I've still got loads of junk up my table that I've got to clear away, but that's for other crafts for Christmas. But I just thought this looks so cute. You really don't have to spend a lot of money to have something that looks quite high end. I love the Scandi bits in this as well with a little natural wood. By all means, if you wanted to get this a little bit more traditional looking, you could paint the wooden beads into a colour scheme, maybe even the little trees. Add some berries if you want to add pops of red. But I absolutely love this. I do need to get some better batteries. These are really cheap batteries and the lights are not very bright. But with the Christmas tree, it's just looking all lovely. Hello, bear! On the arm of the sofa. He scares me sometimes. It's like a little old woman in the corner. So yeah, really love this. I am gonna get some, I've still got this mistletoe wreath actually, made the same from the range. I'm gonna take a sprig off of it because it's just shy on this corner here, just a little bit short here. So I'm just gonna trim one stem off and then I'm gonna nail that on like the way I've done it with everything else to make it look like it goes right to the edge like it does on these ones. But I thought they look really cute. I've just done this and I've already got an idea for next year's one to change this completely up. But that'll be next year because I'm quite loving this sort of neutral colouring. So yeah, hopefully you enjoyed this video, guys. I've been Rosie Henshaw. Take care, see you later, bye.